Okay, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make a display wardrobe in SketchUp. I've already downloaded and prepared this cloth model, so when the 3D model are finished, I just position it on a correct position on the wardrobe. Okay, first of all you have to make a basic shape with the rotated rectangle. You can use this and position at origin, and then you can set the value of the length. Maybe you can set the length of the wardrobe around 1200 millimeter, and then you can set the width around 600 millimeter, and then you have to push it up until 3000 millimeter, and then you can set the width of the edge. You can set the width of the edge with this tool with offset, and then you can set this 40 millimeter, and then you have to push it to the break around 550 millimeter. You can cut it, and then you can make it group. Okay, and after that you can make a rectangle again based on the lower cabinet. You have to push it up around for 30 millimeter only, then you can make it group, and then you can make it component. Just create it, then you can position on it to the upper position around 2100 millimeter only, and you can see it, and you can position it in this position approximately like this. Okay, and then you can use a circle to make a stick cloth hanger right here. Then you can push it to the right side anyway, then you have to make it group, and after that you can adjust another material of that stick. Okay, you can and then you can see it, and after that okay, and after that you can make a door wardrobe with this tool with rectangle. Anyway, you can make a door wardrobe with a rectangle. You can position on this, and then you can offset it inside around 20 millimeter only. Then you have to erase it, and then you have to push it to the front around 20 millimeter also. This is a iron material anyway. It's made from iron. Then you can make a divider right here. You can make a divider. Okay, and then you can push it to the left side. Just make it group, and then you can set it up, and after that you can adjust the divider of the door wardrobe door, and then you can use a rectangle to make a glass in here, and then you can make it group, and just assign a glass material. You can assign glass material with this anyway, and so you can adjust the color of the material with and set the opacity like this, and then you can make it group, and then you can make it component also. Then just create it, and then you can move it to the left side and just flip it along with the red axis, and after that you can make a material of the wardrobe itself with this material, so you can see about it. So you can see about the every element, right? So you can see about the display material with the laminated wood. Okay, you can see it, and then and after that you can maybe you can add more. You can move it for temporary. and then you can move and duplicate it to the upper position again, and then you can duplicate it again to the upper position again. Okay, something like this, so you can see about it. And okay, so you can see it, and after that you can position this, and you can explode this object. You can explode this 3D object, then you can position it to the appropriate position of the object. Anyway, you can make it group and just move. You can move this object into the correct position on the wardrobe anyway. Okay, so you can see it, and then you can position it, and you can duplicate it on left or side as you want anyway. Okay, it's still waiting for the object. Okay, it's look something like this, and then you can delete some unnecessary, or no, you can duplicate this wardrobe by moving the door to the back side anyway, and then you can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it on the left side, on the right side anyway. Sorry, it's getting loading. Okay, you can maybe you can delete this center object of it. You can just delete it by using erase. Anyway, the cloth model are so curvy, are a lot of vertex, are a lot of are complex model, are a lot of poly model in this. The cloth model are a lot of poly, so are high poly model, so it seems it feel it very heavy material anyway, the cloth model. So we have just waiting it. Okay, so we have to positioning. Okay, we have to position it to the appropriate position anyway. Just make it group and just move it to the proper position in this object anyway. Okay, so you can see where the correct position anyway, approximately something like this. You can move it to the bottom anyway. Okay, then you can move it on a correct position. Okay, and then you can delete it. You can delete the unnecessary object of the material, and then anyway you can make a wall, letter L wall like this. You can make a letter L wall line, and then you can just offset this line with 150 millimeter of the thickness, and then you can just complete the wall anyway. Then you have to push it down right here and just make it group, so you can fill so you can see by the room vibes, so you can see about the room of the wardrobe vibes itself anyway. So you can make a floor, then maybe you can make a window right here, so it more look like appropriate room on for the wardrobe anyway. Then you have to push it to the back 120 millimeters, and then you can git group and just adjust the dark material for simple case anyway. Okay, so you can see so you can make just simple window anyway. I'm sorry, it's getting okay, so you can adjust the glass. And after that you can make a dressing table. You can make a dressing table with 180 millimeter of the width anyway. Then you can make a width of the dressing table are same as long as wardrobe wide anyway. Then you have to move it up around 600 millimeter from the bottom. Then so you can make just for simple exterior look of the wardrobe anyway. Just make it simple, and you can copy it to the left side. Also, you can and then you can just make another material, or you can adjust the material, or you can use unique material to make it more dynamic, design anyway. Then you can use the floor, the tile floor, with this material anyway, and you can use this floor, or you can adjust another material with the wood. Just select it or select this, so it will gonna be another impression of this. And then you can make some you can make with a rectangle to make a curvy mirror, of dressing table in here. Then you can erase some unnecessary object. Anyway, you can erase, and you can just push it to the front, just make it group, and then you can make another material of the mirror. And then you can make a cladding of the wall to make a different vibes of the room anyway. Then you can adjust the ceiling, so you can make it group, and so you can see about the different look about the wardrobe design anyway. And then you can make with a circle to make a stool anyway, of the dressing table. You can set the height around 50 for 500 millimeter, so you can use fabric material, or you can adjust the RGB color. You can adjust the darkness or brightness of the material itself anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot about this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.